Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Exam Maniacs. My name is Rebecca and guys, today I am here to teach you all February week second current affairs. Guys, this would be a quick revision of the weekly current affairs. So let's start.
करंट अफेयर्स क्विज फॉर द मंथ ऑफ फेब्रवरी एंड दैट इज़ वीक 2. ठीक है, सबसे पहला करंट अफेयर्स है ये वाला. हाउ मच अमाउंट वॉज ग्रांटेड बाय एडीबी टू द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया थ्रू सोवरेन लोन इन द ईयर 2021? क्या है इसका आंसर? 4.6 बिलियन. ठीक है, सो 4.6 बिलियन जो है अमाउंट ग्रांट किया गया था, किसके द्वारा किया गया था? एडीबी के द्वारा. किसको दिया था? गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को, थ्रू सोवरेन लोन इन 2021. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In which year Nightingale of India Lata Mangeshkar was honored with the prestigious Bharat Ratna Award? That is answer is C, 2001. ठीक है, 2001 में लता मंगेशकर जी को भारत रत्न अवार्ड मिला था. ठीक है, which who is no more now. Next is KVIC has recently cancelled the certification of which खादी institution for selling fake खादी प्रोडक्ट्स? कौन है? मुंबई खादी एंड विलेज इंडस्ट्रीज एसोसिएशन. तो नकली प्रोडक्ट बेच रहे थे भाई वो लोग, इसलिए उनका क्या हो गया? कैंसिल कर दिया है KVIC वालों ने. किस किस का? मुंबई खादी एंड विलेज इंडस्ट्री एसोसिएशन. ओके, नेक्स्ट. रिसेंटली फाउंडेशन स्टोन ऑफ वर्ल्ड्स थर्ड लार्जेस्ट क्रिकेट स्टेडियम वॉज लेड इन विच सिटी? इसका आंसर आएगा जयपुर. सो फाउंडेशन स्टोन ऑफ वर्ल्ड्स थर्ड लार्जेस्ट क्रिकेट स्टेडियम कौन से स्टेट में हुआ था? जयपुर. जयपुर कहाँ पे है? राजस्थान. नेक्स्ट. The government of India has done a conversion switch transaction of its securities with the Reserve Bank of India on January 28, 2022 for an amount of rupees कितना? आंसर आएगा इसका 1,19,701 करोड़. ठीक है, अगला सवाल. Who has been appointed as the director of the National Council for Educational Research and Training NCERT for 5 years? Answer is Dinesh Prasad Saklani. Okay, so Dinesh Prasad Saklani has been appointed as the director of National Council of Educational Research and Training. ठीक है, कितने साल के लिए हुआ है ये? 5 सालों के लिए. अगला सवाल. India has become the first country to administer a DNA vaccine against COVID-19. Which company has produced this plasmid DNA vaccine? इसका आंसर आएगा Zydus Cadila. ठीक है, तो Zydus Cadila has produced this plasmid DNA vaccine. So India क्या बन गया है? India पहला कंट्री बन गया है to administer a DNA vaccine against COVID-19. ठीक है, next. Which team has won the AFC Women's Asian Cup 2022? India. Answer is China PR. Suranga Lakmal has announced his retirement from international cricket. He plays international matches for which country? That is Sri Lanka. Which country has led the digital skills readiness and has the highest readiness index among 19 countries in the 2022 Global Digital Skills Index? That is India. Next. Professor R. Rajmohan, इनका देहांत हो गया है. Which of the following discovery is associated with him? इसका आंसर आएगा first asteroid discovery in independent India. Next, which of the following 7-time winner nation lost to Senegal in Africa Cup of Nations Championship? Answer is Egypt. The United Kingdom has marked the anniversary of Queen Elizabeth II's rule. The Queen looked to the future of monarchy. मतलब कौन सा एनिवर्सरी था? इसका आंसर आएगा 70th एनिवर्सरी. ओके, अगला. What is the theme of the Financial Literacy Week being observed by RBI in 2022? इसका आंसर है Go Digital, Go Secure. USAID has partnered with which organization under the Samriddhi scheme to tolerate health, innovation and entrepreneurship? It is Niti Aayog. Who has been appointed as a brand ambassador of MediBuddy? अमिताभ बच्चन, ठीक है। मेडीबडी के ब्रांड एम्बेसडर कौन बने हैं? अमिताभ बच्चन जी, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, which state government has signed an MOU with Social Alphas Energy Lab, ठीक है, Clean Energy International Incubation Center to support innovative and clean energy technology programs? Answer is D, that is Kerala. Okay, next, who among the following has been appointed as brand ambassador of Bata India? Bata India के कौन है? PV सिंधु, याद रखना, Bata shoes. Next, Reserve Bank of India will observe dash 2022 as Financial Literacy Week. कौन सा है? उसका आंसर आएगा C, दैट इज February 14 से लेकर 18 तारीख तक. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द थीम फॉर सेफर इंटरनेट डे 2022? इट्स बी टुगेदर फॉर अ बेटर इंटरनेट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Pfizer India has appointed dash as the chairman of its board. That's Pradeep Shah. Next, which company has bought a majority stake in Malaysian payment startup named Kerlik? Okay, Kerlik. इसका आंसर है Razorpay. Next, India's first commercial scale biomass based hydrogen plant will come up in which state? That is Madhya Pradesh. Who has been appointed as a secretary in the Department of Financial Services in the Ministry of Finance? That is Sanjay Malhotra. When is the World Pulses Day celebrated? That is 10th of February. 10th of February को World Pulse Day मनाते हैं, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, यूनाइटेड नेशन एनवायरनमेंट प्रोग्राम, जिसको हम लोग शॉर्ट फॉर्म में बोलते हैं UNEP, हैज साइंड एन MOU विद स्टेट गवर्नमेंट टू सपोर्ट द स्टेट्स माझी वसुंधरा कैंपेन. इसका आंसर है महाराष्ट्र. देखो सिंपल है ना, माझी मराठी में बोलते हैं हम लोग माझी में मतलब होता है हिंदी में माइन, सो यू कैन से महाराष्ट्र. नेक्स्ट, who among the following has received the 80th late Madhavrao Limaye award under efficient MP कार्यक्रम कसदार category? That is Nitin Gadkari. And ISRO has decommissioned which communication satellite through 11 re-orbiting maneuvers after 14 year service? That is D, INSAT 4B. ठीक है. अगला, what is the official name of the new Ahmedabad franchisee in the Indian Premier League IPL 2022? इसका आंसर है गुजरात टाइटंस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सीनियर ब्यूरोक्रेट डैश हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड एज चेयरमैन SSC मतलब स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमीशन. आंसर है इसका S, किशोरे. Reserve Bank of India has projected the GDP growth rate for 2022-2023. आंसर क्या आएगा इसका? 9.8%. ओके. नेक्स्ट, what is the revised investment limit for voluntary retention route for investments by foreign portfolio investors? That is 2.5 lakh crore. Name the author of the book titled Atal Bihari Vajpayee. That's Sagarika Ghose. World Unani Day is observed on February 11 every year to mark the birth anniversary of dash Hakim Ajmal Khan. ठीक है. अगला, the central government has decided to continue the scheme of राष्ट्रीय युवा सशक्तिकरण कार्यक्रम with an outlay of dash rupees. इसका आएगा आंसर 2710 करोड़. ओके. नेक्स्ट, which of the following banks has partnered with NSE Academy to launch 5 online courses to promote financial literacy? That is State Bank of India. The 45th International Kolkata Book Fair will start from February 28. The focal theme country this year is Bangladesh. In India, the National Productivity Day is observed every year on dash by the National Productivity Council. That is February 12. Okay, which state government has signed a 3-year MOU with the British Council to renew the partnership in education, English and arts? इसका आंसर आएगा तेलंगाना. अगला है इंडिया विल हेल्प विच कंट्री टू लॉन्च अ यूनिटरी डिजिटल आइडेंटिटी फ्रेमवर्क मॉडल्ड ऑन द आधार कार्ड, दैट इज श्रीलंका. Who is the author of the book titled India Africa Relations Changing Horizons? राजीव भाटिया. वर्ल्ड रेडियो डे जो है सेलिब्रेट होता है एवरी ईयर टू रिकग्नाइज रेडियो एज अ पावरफुल मीडियम. कब होता है ये होता है आपका 13 जनवरी को, 13 जनवरी को वर्ल्ड रेडियो डे. ओके, नेक्स्ट, इंडियाज शिप Goa Shipyard Limited has delivered the fifth and the final vessel ICGS Dash under Coast Guard offshore petrol vehicle project. Answer is B, that is Saksham. Name the chairman of Tata Sons who has been reappointed by the board for second 5-year terms. That is N. Chandrasekaran. Which organization has launched the Jiva program to promote natural farming? दैट इज़ जीवा प्रोग्राम किसने लॉन्च किया है? नेशनल बैंक फॉर एग्रीकल्चर एंड रूरल डेवलपमेंट. सेबी हैज़ restructured its advisory committee on investor protection and education fund under the chairmanship of, आंसर आएगा इसका जी महालिंगम. Indian National Women's Day is observed every year on 13 February to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sarojini Naidu. India's Goa Shipyard Limited has delivered the fifth and the final vessel ICGS Dash under Coast Guard offshore petrol vehicle project. इसका आंसर आएगा B, that is Saksham. World Radio Day is celebrated on Dash to recognize radio as powerful radium. इसका आंसर आएगा 13 February, sorry. Last question, who is the author of the new book titled India Africa Relations Changing Horizons? That is B, Rajiv Bhatia. Okay, so guys, this were February week 2 current affairs 2022 in the form of quiz.
So guys, this was some 50 questions. I hope you all understood all the questions. Please do let us know in the comment section, guys, if you all have any doubts regarding any question. And please do remember to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much everyone. See you all in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.